Hello everyone, I'm Judy, your property host, and we're here in Versailles, Alabang. Right behind me is the Sophia Model Unit. This one is a brand new single detached house and lot. This has a lot area of 240 square meters and a floor area of 224 square meters. So this has 3 bedrooms, and you can see here you can fit up to 4 cars in your carports. Now let's check the entrance of our house and lot. Okay, this one is the lanai or access towards your service area. Entrance. Okay. Okay, now let's proceed here. Okay, this is your entrance. This is the living area. The living area has its own sliding doors towards your access to the lanai. And then here's your dining area. Dining that also has their own access towards the garage and the service area at the back. Now here is your kitchen area with built-in cabinets and a kitchen island here on the center. Now this is your pantry and another storage for your food. And then this is the maid's room with their own toilet and bath. And here, this is your access in the service area at the back. Now let's check the stairs down here. This is your powder room. And let's check the second floor. You will notice the high ceiling of this property. Here, let's check the first bedroom. The first bedroom has its own built-in cabinets. And this door right here is a toilet and bath. Same goes here on our second bedroom. This is the toilet and bath. And of course, your built-in cabinets. Every room has their own air-conditioned units. Now here is the master's bedroom. The master's bedroom, you see here our balcony. Now let's check the walk-in closet. The walk-in closet here and our toilet and bath. Now for more information about this property, if you're interested to check the property, you may contact us through our Smart, Viber, or WhatsApp number 0919-996-3820. See you!